So students, this is our computer class and let's start with chapter 4 because we had completed question and answers and everything, exercises, all of the things of chapter 3 in our last class, and we will start chapter 4 of your computer book. I hope you all have book. So let's start this chapter. Let me tell you something about this chapter. In this chapter, we will study about inserting word art, smart art, inserting clip art, inserting pictures from files, resizing the image, inserting and modifying shapes. We all study about these things here in this chapter. Understand? Anything we see in the Word document is called object. What is object? Anything, whatever we see in this Word document. Example of some objects are pictures, word art, clip art, smart arts, and shapes. MS Word provides various tools to let you insert these objects. So let's start this chapter. Ara, start reading from here, inserting word art, page number 48. Start reading, beta.
Inserting word art. Word art is a text decorating features of MS Word. MS Word. It is used to insert text objects with ready-made impact. It is create a high impact and a unique look to the text message. To insert a word art in your document, first click the Insert tab. Second, click word art in the text group. Third, a drop-down list of various word art style will be displayed. Fourth, select the desired style of word art and start typing. Fifth, your selected style will be inserted in the document and you will find a beautiful change in your text. You will notice that the text has the sizing handles like images. You can stretch it horizontally or vertically.
Stop. Now, here you can see how to insert word art. Let me show you how to insert word art on MS Word. It is open there. For this, we have to open MS Word first of all. Okay, so let me show you that first. I hope you all can see the screen. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now here you can see new Microsoft Office Word. We have to add first of all MS Word. How can we add? In any folder, we just have to right click from mouse, go to the new option, and then in new option there is a Microsoft Word document. We just click on that and there is a Microsoft Word. We'll just open it and we are starting about inserting word art. How can we insert word art? Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, that is screen black. No, it's blurred.
It's black.
Ma'am, it is black. Ma'am, it is blur.
Wait, let me show you the clear screen. I hope now you can see the screen clearly. Is that clearly visible to you all now?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
you can see this is MS Word Office, Microsoft Word document. So in this we have to insert word art. How can we insert? The procedure is as given on your book. You can see the option is click the steps are given. The first step is click the insert tab. Here you can see the insert tab. Where is insert tab? Can you see this insert tab here? Can you see the insert tab?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So we'll just click on that insert tab पे click किया, and then next step क्या लिखा है number 2? Click word art in the text group. Can you see the word art here? Where is word art? Word art. Can you see the word art? Can you find word art here anywhere? Yes or no? Tell me. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, here it is. You can see word art here. We just have to click word art in the text group. This is text group. This is symbol group. This is head and footer group. This is link group, illustration group, tables group, pages group. Here in the text group, we just have to click on the word art. You can see the word art here. So many word art are given. We just have to click on them. We can find out any word art. We can take this one like. If I'm writing here, you can see the word art is here.
Yes, ma'am.
So select the desired style. You can take any style, whatever style you want. Here, so many styles are given. You can use any of the style. Understand? After that, number 5th step is your selected style will be inserted in the document and you will find a beautiful change in your document. You can see that beautiful change on your document. It's looking good now. It's looking beautiful. Is that?
Yes, ma'am.
You notice that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there is a cursive letter also?
Everything, whatever you want there in the word art, you will find everything, whatever you want in this. Understand? These are options. You can see there are so many options are here. Whatever option you want, any option. Like you can see the shadow effect is there. So many effects, so many options are here. You can use any one of them. Understood? Now, I hope you all can see. So you can change them horizontally or vertically also. In any way you can make them. Color, you can change color also. As you can see. Understand? Now, move to the next topic, which is inserting smart art.
Ma'am, can I read this?
Yes, start reading. Srishti, start reading.
Inserting smart art. Smart art is a graphic tool which is used to convert ordinary text into something more attractive. It can be used to create charts, pyramid, cycles, etc. To insert smart art in your document, click the Insert tab. Click the Smart Art icon in the illustration group. To choose a Smart Art graphic, dialog box appear. Select a category on left of the dialog box and pick the graphic from the samples that are displayed. Click the graphic you want to insert. Click OK. Then the selected diagram will be inserted in your document. Adding text to the SmartArt object. First, when the SmartArt insert, you will find the fields in the type of your text here and the text plane. If you want to see the text plane, click the arrow control on the left side of the Smart Graphics. Second, then start typing to insert the text. Third, after finishing typing in the first field, press Enter key to go to the next field. You will notice that information entered by your SmartArt object.
Art, start reading inserting clip art.
Inserting clip art. A picture speaks 1,000 words. It makes your document look attractive and effective. MS Word has its own set of ready-made pictures of the clip art gallery. To add a clip art picture to your document, follow the steps. First, click the Insert tab. Second, click the clip art icon from the instructions group. Third, the clip art pane appears. Fourth, enter the keyword in the search for text box and click go. The images available for your keyword will be displayed. Fifth, click the image you would like to insert in your document. The selected image will be inserted in your document. Inserting picture from a file. To insert picture from
Inserting picture, इसको explain करते हैं after that. Okay. So let me share that screen again. MS Word. As you can see here, next topic is inserting SmartArt. Here, for inserting SmartArt, some steps are given. The first step is click the Insert tab. Again, we have to click on the Insert tab. Again, we have to click on Insert tab for inserting SmartArt. Insert tab, then click the SmartArt icon in the illustration group. Here you can see this is pages group, tables group, illustration group, links, add-in photo, text, symbol. So we have to find out illustration group. This is illustration group. In this, there is a SmartArt option you can see here. SmartArt option, you have to click there, and there some options will be appear. As you can see on your book also, select the category on your left box. You can select any category, whatever you want from this. This is all list, process, cycles, directories, relations, matrix, pyramids, any one you can select, whatever you want. Understand? Whatever we want, this types of icons will appear here. Understood? So anyone, whatever we want, we just can select. Okay. Selected SmartArt will appear here. Adding text in the SmartArt object. So how can we add text? We just have to double click on that, and then we can write. This is art. This is art. This one box is of Srishti. This box is of Mansi. Kumar. Understand? So anyone, you can complete this entering text, adding text on that smart box. Now inserting clip art. How can we insert clip art on that? Here's the options, steps are given. Click the Insert tab. The picture speaks 1,000. How to? It makes your document look attractive and effective. MS Word has its own set of ready-made pictures. clip art galleries. It has ready-made clip art gallery to add a clip art picture to your document. Follow. How to add? We have to move to insert tab again. Click the clip art icon from the illustration group. Again, illustration group. In illustration group, you just have to click on the clip art icon. In that clip art icon, we'll find several pictures. Search for file. Here we have to. Here we have to write whatever file we want. Search for that if it is on computer. You can see girl. Yeah, I'll search girl. If I'll search tree, then this clip art option will show me many pictures of trees. Many trees are here. I can select any tree. Insert. If we want to select this, we'll just have to add this on our So students, move to the next topic, which is inserting picture from file. So how can you insert picture? In insert option, illustration group, click on the picture option. Here, wherever your pictures will be on your computer, it will show you on your screen. If you want to search them, you can search through here also. Desktop, text, C drive, D drive, wherever your pictures are. You just have to click on them, insert. The picture will be here. Understand? On your MS Word, that picture will come. Understood? And you can size that picture. It's smaller to bigger also. You can resize that. Is that clear to you all? I hope you understood that. This is a very simple thing. If you have computer at your home or laptop, you can do this easily and try to do practical of this. Resizing image, page number 52. As you can see, resizing image, the options are given how to resize image. We just have to drag. We have to put cursor here in the edges of this picture and we have to just hold and stretch it. It will automatically resize. Understood? These pictures are on my computer, as you can see. For inserting, we just have to take our mouse to the edge and hold it down. Inserting shapes. Now move to the inserting shapes option. Who will read this? Umar, can you read this? Do you have book?
Yes, ma'am.
Read from changing the shape, modifying the shape. Sorry, inserting shapes. Sorry, inserting shapes. Page number 50.
Yes, ma'am.
Inserting
53.
shapes. Page number 52. Inserting shapes. Start reading. Mic on. Now start reading. Inserting.
Yes, ma'am. Two. MS Word comes with a set of ready-made shape. You can use this shape in your documents. You can insert shapes such as arrows,
Callouts,
callouts,
squares,
stars,
flowchart,
flow chart,
symbols,
symbol,
and more.
and more. To insert a shape, follow the step. Click the insert tab. Second, select shape in the
Illustrations,
illustrations group. A menu of shape appears. Choose a shape.
example,
Smiley
smiley face,
from the manual. Your
cursor,
cursor will change to a choose shape.
cross shape,
Fourth,
click anywhere,
anywhere. Click anywhere in the
workspace,
workspace, and then draw to
Drag
place the shape.
Stop. Now, let me tell you how to insert shapes. As you can see, the steps are given. Click the insert tab. Again, we have to click on the insert tab. And then select shapes option. Here is shapes option. Here you can see many shapes are given. Choose any shape. We can choose any shape which is here. Any shapes, whatever the shape is here. As you can see, smiley, if I am choosing a smiley, you can see a smiley here. So we just have to, for making a smiley, we just have to drag that. Like insert, shapes, click on a smiley, drag that. Click here, click and drag. You have to click and you have to drag it for making little resizing it. We just have to drag it. Modifying the shape. For modifying the shape, we just have to, you can see many colors here which can modify the shape. Shadows. Can you see the shadows also? So many 3Ds. Many things, many options are given here for making them different. Understand? So it will give a different look to your work, whatever the shape you inserted. Give shadow effect. This is shadow effect. You can see these are shadow effects. Here the option is shadow effect. Filling and shape with colors. So how can you color them? You just have to go to the color option. Here you can see the color options given. Whatever color you want to give your smiley, you can give them like this. Understood? Changing the outline of the shape. How can you change the outline which is given in page number 54? Select the shape by clicking on it. The format tab will appear, get activated. You can see the format tab. We can change the outline also through this, like red. If you want black, the outline is red now. Can you see the red outline? And if we want to change the inside of that, then we can change through this. Shadow effect through this. I hope this chapter is completed here, page number 54. We had understood changing the outline, filling the colors, shadow effect, changing the shape style, inserting it. We had understood everything of this chapter. Now we'll complete the exercise question answers in our next class. Means tomorrow. I hope you all can complete this fill in the blanks which is given here for the fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks is for your assignment. You all have to complete fill in the blanks and true or false by yourself. Understand? You have to complete filling in blanks and true false by yourself. I hope you all can complete that. It's very easy, and tomorrow we are going to complete question and answers and rest of the exercise. Understand? So friends, that's all for today's class. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, take care. Good day.